So hello everyone, Ved this side, and today we'll learn about what is Metamask, how to set up your Metamask wallet, how to add different blockchain networks over your wallet, as well as how to add a custom token or any blockchain network. So let's get started. So Metamask is available as a Chrome extension as well as it is available on Play Store. So we'll use the Chrome extension for this video. So I have already installed my Metamask on Chrome browser, so I'll show you on the Brave browser, but it is same procedure for any browser. You just need to add the extension. So after downloading Metamask, you can see it in your extension section, and so let's start it. So this is a recovery phase option. If you already have an existing wallet, you can use the recovery phase. I'll explain what is recovery phase later on, but let's get started with creating a new wallet. So this is some privacy information, you better read it. So this is secondary password which you need every time you log in your browser. So once you create your password, you'll need recovery phase, and this video will show you how to add a recovery phase and what you need to know about secret recovery phase. But we'll skip this part. You don't need to watch this video. So here's the recovery phase, and I need you to write this down on piece of paper, not on your phone. As this, once you lost this recovery phase, your money is gone forever. So once you confirm your recovery phase, your account is all set up. Now you need to add different blockchain networks. So I'll show you the easy way on how to add a new blockchain network. So we'll add Binance Smart Chain, then we'll add Polygon mainnet. I'll also show you how to add Phantom as well as Avalanche. I'll not show you how to set up, but I'll give you the way on how to set up any other network. So let's say I want to add Binance Smart Chain. So I'll go to PancakeSwap, which is a DEX for Binance, which is the most popular DEX on Binance Smart Chain. So if you don't get this notification, what you can do is connect to the wallet. Here is Metamask, and it will swap from Ethereum mainnet to Binance Smart Chain. Here we go. You don't need to copy this URL and add this blah blah blah. So now you have set up your Binance Smart Chain on the Metamask wallet. So I'll show you the same thing for Polygon mainnet. So the main DEX for Polygon mainnet is QuickSwap. So we'll go to QuickSwap and just connect the Metamask wallet. And switch over to the Matic network. Here we go. That's how you can add any network. So let's say I want to add a Phantom network, or let's say I want to add the Avalanche. So what I'll do is I'll type Phantom and I'll write DEX on the Google Phantom DEX. The list of blogs will show what are the most popular DEX on the Phantom mainnet, and you'll switch over to the DEX and just connect it. That's how it's done. So let's say I want to add a custom token over Polygon mainnet. So I'll go to Polyscan, and let's say I want to add the cake token, or let's say I want to add USDT, which is a stable coin. There we go. You just need to copy this contract address and just import the token. That's it. That's how you can add any token. If you want to add new token on the Ethereum mainnet, you can just switch to the Ethereum mainnet, and you can type here Etherscan, and the same procedure follows here too. You can write USDT, cake token, or BNB, whatever token you want to add. You can just copy the contact address just like here and paste it to import token. So let's say I want to transfer fund from Binance wallet to the Metamask. So what I'll do is, let's say I want to transfer BNB token from in Binance Smart Chain from Binance wallet to the Metamask wallet. So I'll just copy this address and I'll switch over to Binance Smart Chain, and there I'll go and I'll use the withdraw section and paste the address which I copied from here, and that's how you can transfer from Binance to Metamask. If you want a detailed video, I can go over that, but you can find lots of videos transferring from Binance to the Metamask or any other centralized platform. I suggest not to buy any crypto directly from Metamask. Try not to swap any token directly on Metamask. Go to any DEX like PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, or Uniswap, then transfer the token. Swap the token. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it.